Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to add a background song for your presentation in Google Slides. So method is pretty easy for it, and we're gonna use this song file for this video. To upload any song to your Google Slides, first you need to upload the song file in your Google Drive. So we'll first do that. Open up your Google Drive and click on New, and then click on File Upload, and then choose the file that you want to upload. We are choosing this, so I'll click on it and then click on OK. Once the file has done uploading, then open up your Google Slides and open the presentation you want. Once you open the presentation, click on Insert and then click on Audio. Once you click on Audio, it will automatically open your Google Drive, and you need to click on Recent because you recently uploaded this file, and you need to click on your file and then click on Insert. Once you click on Insert, it will upload your audio file or the song file here. You can see the sound icon and you can see the controls where you can play or pause the song or control its volume. Once you've uploaded the file, on the right hand side, you can see something like Format Options. These are some settings for the song file. In Start Playing, I would like the song to start automatically when my presentation starts, so I'll enable that. I want to hide the sound icon from my presentation so it looks neat. And I need to loop the audio so the audio keeps playing even if it gets over. And basically you can set these settings as per your needs. To check how this will look, we need to click on the drop down beside slideshow and then click on presenter view. Once we go into presenter view, it will automatically start playing our song. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.